Hi, my name is Titash Niyogi. I am one of the founders of Globist.ai, and I'm here to show you how Globist works. Globist is a new research tool that keeps in mind that doing deep research using generative AI requires you to be in control of your data and the source of knowledge that you feed into an LLM. Let me show you how you can do this with Globist and do deep research with large language models without losing control of your data. So in Globist, every research is done using spaces. This is your Globist home screen. Once you sign up, you are going to see, and I have a bunch of different spaces that I have created on different topics. I'm going to quickly create a new space. Let's say we want to do a research on healthy lifestyle. So let's see, building healthy lifestyle. And this is something you would probably do with an LLM anyways in deep research. And let's see how we can do this with Globist. Uh, Lifestyle guidance on being more healthy, and yeah, let's leave it at that. And you can choose a particular model. We are adding more models soon, and let's see what Globist brings up. So Globist's style of doing deep research is slightly different from other platforms. Instead of doing the entire research for yourself, by yourself, Globist allows you different pathways, and each pathway is its own independent sort of tree. So you can think of this as a tree, and you can branch out in multiple different directions using from the root node. So as you can see, Globist has come back with four different branches: summarize the most effective lifestyle, develop a personalized action plan, compared. So each of these can now be developed. So I'm just going to quickly click and let the LLM go ahead and start doing its work on each of these paths. And now you can see that while the other branches are getting developed by the LLM, I've already got the response, and this response allows me to read this while Globist is working on the other branches. And now I can do a bunch of different things. I can start chaining this information. So let's say this is a lot of text which I don't want to currently read, or maybe I want to enrich it further. I can quickly send this to Perplexity, or I can convert this into a table or a chart. I can search for additional content on YouTube. So let's just, for the sake of this demo video, convert this into a table. And while that's happening, let's go over here and look at what other nodes have gotten developed by Globist. So lifestyle factors, impact on chronic disease risk, heart. So this is again, and you can see that each response from the LLM comes with its own set of references and also additional next steps. So that allows you to continuously develop a complete branch of information. And while that is happening, and here you can see that my table's ready, and I can actually download this table right now, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to continue further and then add some more information here. Let's just enrich this particular branch by fetching some data from Perplexity. And while that is happening, let's take a look at this node, which has a personalized action plan for healthier habits. And you can see that Globist has come back with a rich action plan. Maybe I'm going to take this one and convert this into a chart, because in Globist you can do that. So I'm going to create this into some sort of a timeline. Let's go ahead and try that. And while this is happening, let's look at what's happening with Perplexity. And so we got back this information. So you can see that with Globist you can in parallel do multiple different things. Oops, sorry, something went wrong with that. That happens sometimes. So we'll not try this right now. But let me show you one other cool little trick with Globist. So while you've done all of this research, you can quickly preview it, and it becomes sort of this document or this blog post, and you can actually download this as PDF, Markdown, or Doc, or you can publish this as a Globist page. You can also share the Globist canvas, so you can do a collaborative research with your friends, and there's a bunch of other things that you can do with Globist. With that, I will leave you guys to try out Globist. This is a whole new way to do deep research while keeping complete control of the source of knowledge and the next steps, and still using the power of large language models. I look forward to everybody trying out Globist. Thank you for your time. Bye.